koutou, kia ora Room 9, ko Mr C aho, I am Mr C, and welcome to the Room 9 News for Pare the 14th of May. Haere mai, hoki mai, welcome back to our get-togethers back in Room 9. We're all still keeping ourselves safe. I'm here today doing a bit of work. Hope you're all well and looking forward to the last 2 official days of learning away from school. I know there's some students who won't be back straight away, that's okay. And in today's email, there'll be a time capsule activity, and it'll be really good if you can have a look at that and work out what your responses are going to be to how your level 3 and 4 experiences have been. You don't have to print it out, just read over it, talk about what you've been doing and what you can write down, maybe write down a few ideas. So on Monday, when we're all ready to go, we'll finish them and put them all together and make them into a bit of a special book. Okay, first up, let's go over to Kupo Te Wiki. This week's word is hui, and yes, there's a lot of meetings going on, together to assemble, to meet, as in e haere ana tātou ki te hui kura. So we are going to the school meeting, and there's lots of them today. Okay, on to health and safety. Mr Exel sent out an email about what coming back to school is going to look like, and holder or well-being and hygiene is going to be a lot more important than it was back in term 1. Okay, weather for today, about 50-50, so dress up warm. BFG news, we're all good. 2 chapters in, and you can listen to them today. I'll put the link in the text box below. Okay, no birthdays today, but in America, it's National Chicken Dance Day. So guess what Uncle Donald Trump's going to be doing? So he'll be getting on to that all day long because it's National Chicken Dance Day, only in America. Alrighties, it's Shuck the Box time. Yesterday's score, what a disaster. So I am going to hopefully redeem myself today, and by saying redeem myself, here we go, I mean get a score that's 10 times better than 15,000 or whatever I was doing yesterday. It was terrible. Here we go. Oh, 1 and 1 is 2. I can't say that's a very good start. Oh, 5 and 4 is 9. Oh, 5. I'm gonna have to go 7 and 3. Oh, another 10. I'm gonna go 6 and 4. Oh, this is much better than yesterday already, isn't it? Another 10. Oh, I can't do it. So that's my score, 158. Not flash, but way better than yesterday. So there we go. She's all over Red Rover. Alrighties, that's it for today from Room 9 News Team here, actually in Room 9. Ka kite pōpō, see you tomorrow, haere rā, go well and stay classy, Room 9.